Raver, daig pang nakajakpat sa loto sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay ng nobyang si Julian. Happy birthday to the woman I love the most and the one who owns my heart. Ang mensaheng punong-puno ng pagmamahal ng aktor na si Raver Cruz para sa kanyang girlfriend na si Julian San Jose na nagdiwang ng karawan noong May 17, 2026. Saad ni Raver sa post niya, 5:17 is a very special day because today we are celebrating the life of a person who makes ordinary days feel magical. Happy birthday to the woman I love the most and the one who owns my heart, Miss Julian San Jose. My love, thank you for being the heart of my life and the joy in every day. I think I am the luckiest man in the world because God allowed me to be loved by you too. I pray that all your dreams and wishes come true because you deserve every beautiful thing in this world. You have such a kind heart and you are truly an amazing person. As for me, my greatest dream has already come true. He. You are my greatest blessing, my love. No words will ever fully explain how much you mean to me. You are my peace, my happiness, and the love I prayed for. Mahal na mahal kita, and I always be here for you for the rest of my life. Wow! Super lucky naman ang singer-actress na si Julian San Jose sa pagkakaroon ng napaka-sweet at loving boyfriend. Well, sana all, my Raver Cruz. Kitang-kita kung gaano talaga ipinagsisigawan ni Raver ang pagmamahal niya sa nobya at sinasabi ngang napakalaki niya na tila ba nakajackpot siya sa loto dahil sa nobya. Bukod kasi sa mapagmahal, mapag-alaga, ay very sweet din si Julian. At aminado si Raver na ito na ang kanyang endgame at balang araw ay sa kasalan na rin mauwi ang lahat. Please follow and share for more updates.